Hi guys, Alan here, J-Man Fitness. Welcome to my channel, and why you're here is why you should be doing intermittent fasting now. Okay guys, before we go into it, all I want you to do is hit the subscribe and the like button, and you will get tons of content and ding the bell as well, and you'll get tons of content from this channel every time I post new videos, workout videos, or health and nutrition tips. Okay, why you should be doing intermittent fasting now. First of all, let's get into what it is. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. It isn't about what foods you should be eating, but rather when you should be eating them. It's not really a diet as such, but an eating pattern. Common intermittent fasting methods involve daily 16-hour fast or fasting for 24 hours twice a week. There are several different ways of doing intermittent fasting, all of which involve splitting the day or week into eating and fasting periods. During the fasting periods, you eat either very little or nothing at all. The methods that I'm going to go through are basically, and I'll break them down, and I'll probably go over them a couple of times, but the 16-8 method, this involves skipping breakfast and restricting your daily eating pattern to 8 hours and stop eating at say 9 in the evening and start eating again at 1 the next day. So basically just skipping breakfast. Eat, stop, eat method. This involves fasting for 24 hours once or twice a week, for example, by not eating from dinner one day until dinner the next day. The 5-2 diet. With this method, you consume only 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days of the week, but eat normally the other 5 days. All of these methods should cause weight loss, as long as you don't compensate by eating much more during the eating period. You are basically cutting down on 1/3 of your daily calories. My recommendation to start off is the 16-8, as it's the simplest, most sustainable and easiest to stick to. There are many benefits to intermittent fasting, but the real benefits is how for you it's a very powerful weight loss tool. By making you eat less meals, intermittent fasting can lead to an automatic reduction in calorie intake, which is basically the foundation of all weight loss. Additionally, intermittent fasting changes hormone levels to facilitate weight loss. Because of these changes in hormones, short-term fasting may increase your metabolic rate by 3.6 to 14%. By helping you eat fewer and burn more calories, intermittent fasting causes weight loss by changing both sides of the calorie equation. Studies show that intermittent fasting can be a very powerful weight loss tool. However, keep in mind that the main reason for the success that intermittent fasting helps you eat fewer calories overall. If you binge and eat massive amounts during your eating periods, you may not lose any weight at all. It may reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease and cancer. It may also help you live longer. One of the main obstacles to eat healthy is that you have the work required to plan and cook healthy meals. Intermittent fasting can make things easier, as you don't need to plan, cook or clean up after as many meals. Intermittent fasting is certainly not for everyone. If you're underweight or have a history of eating disorders, you should not fast without consulting a doctor. There are also some side effects to intermittent fasting, which I'm just going to go through now. Not too bad now. Hunger is the main side effect of intermittent fasting. You may also feel weak. This may only be temporary, as it can take some time for your body to adapt to the new meal schedule. There's nothing dangerous about not eating for a while if you're healthy and well nourished overall. Some of the questions you may ask, and ones that I'm always asked about, is can I drink liquids during the fast? Of course you can. You can drink water, coffee, tea, and that's it. Anything with calories you just don't. Well, you can take a tiny drop of milk as long as it doesn't go over 5 calories. I find that coffee is an excellent way to blunt any hunger. Take a cup of coffee and grind then for a couple more hours. Another question is, isn't it unhealthy to skip breakfast? No. Can I take supplements while fasting? Is another one I'm often asked. Yes, however, keep in mind that some supplements like fat-soluble vitamins may work better when taken with meals. Another one then is, can I work out while fasted? Yes, fasted workouts are fine. Another question is, will fasting cause muscle loss? All weight loss methods can cause muscle loss, which is why it's important to lift weights and keep your protein intake high. Will fasting slow down your metabolism? No, studies show that short-term fast actually boosts metabolism. So I'm just going to summarize everything that I've just spoken about. To me, I'd recommend you do the 16-8 method, then perhaps after move on to a longer fast. It's important to experiment and find a method that works for you. Right, intermittent fasting isn't something that anyone needs to do. It's simply one of the many lifestyle strategies that can improve your health. Eat real food, exercise regularly, and make sure you get a full night's sleep every night is going to make significant benefits to your lifestyle. But at the end of the day, there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to nutrition. The best diet for you is the one you can stick to in the long run. And that's what you should take from all of this. Intermittent fasting is great for some people and not for others. The only way to find out which group you belong to is try it out. So thanks for watching the video. Please, as I said at the start, subscribe, like and ding the bell and share this around.